Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Siti Sulastri. I am a teacher of Budi Mulya 2 Pandiansari Elementary School. In this opportunity, I want to share you about food combining. Do you ever heard about food combining? Yeah, food combining is a philosophy of eating that has ancient roots. It has become extremely popular in the recent past. Proponents of food combining diets believe that improper food combinations lead to disease, toxin buildup, and digestive distress. On the contrary, proper food combinations can relieve these problems. Food combining doesn't limit certain types of food, but regulates the combination of food so that it is in accordance with the ability and the body's digestive cycle. By applying this method, it is hoped that the digestive burden will be lighter, the body can absorb nutrients perfectly, toxins can be removed from the body, and the remaining energy for digestion can be channeled for the improvement of other body organs. Generally, food combining diets assign foods to different groups. These are usually categorized into carbs and starches, fruits, vegetables, proteins, and fats. Alternatively, some plants classify foods as either acidic, alkaline, or neutral. Food combining diets specify how should we combine these groups in a meal. So, how the rules of food combining? The laws of food combining can vary somewhat depending on the source, but the most common rules include the following laws. They are: first, only eat fruit on an empty stomach. And the second, don't combine starches and proteins. The third, don't combine starches with acidic foods. And the fourth, don't combine different types of protein. Other rules include that protein should not be mixed with fat, sugar should only be eaten alone, and fruits and vegetables should be eaten separately. In the diet of the Rasulullah, we know the term of food balancing. This means that Rasulullah ate a variety of food variants in a balanced way. Foods that are limited to one or certain types of food are not good from the side of the body's balance, which can cause the body to lose balance, thus leading to damage of health. Here are some examples of the habit of Rasulullah and guidelines in food combining. Rasulullah only consumed what was generally in his area. He never bothered to look for something that was not in his area. Food combining also urged to eat local food, because the closer to the harvest site, the better the condition of fruit and vegetables. On the ways Rasulullah maintained his health was by eating fresh fruits, because the fruit will be a drug if we consumed properly. In food combining, we are encouraged to eat fruit properly also. Rasulullah liked and drank honey, but not every day. Then, Rasulullah also doesn't mix milk with meat. In the food combining, milk and meat are not a compatible combination. Rasulullah never mixed foods that are difficult to digest with those that are easy to digest. In food combining, foods that are easy to digest are fruit. Fruits are incompatible with other foods that are difficult to digest, such as carbohydrates and animal protein. Rasulullah doesn't eat fresh food with preserved food. It is also the same as the food combining claim. Rasulullah doesn't eat milk with eggs or meat. Eat food combining that are not a harmonious combination. In my opinion, I agree with the general concept of food combining. I personally have felt the benefits when doing food combining for approximately 6 months. In the food combining guide, there are indeed some that are similar to the diet of Rasulullah, but I can't equalize food combining with the Sunnah. For me, something that has an example from Rasulullah, inshallah, it will be good for all of us. I think that's enough from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is how combines spices and protein.